A movie theater offers a monthly membership for avid movie lovers. The graph below shows the relation between the monthly cost C of the membership and the number of movies seen that's represented by the variable M. M is along this horizontal axis, and C, representing the membership costs, is on the vertical axis. Part A says to find the cost of watching 5 movies in a month. That means we're looking for the value of M that is equal to 5. So we come along our M axis and we're looking for the M value of 5, and we want to determine the corresponding cost for that number of movies. The cost in this region is a constant, $19.95. So this ordered pair is going to have the M value, or the number of movies, as 5, and the corresponding cost is $19.95. So the cost of watching 5 movies in a month is going to be $19.95. The second part of this question asks how much it's going to cost to watch 10 movies in a month. And since 10 is also in this region where the cost is a constant $19.95, the cost of watching 10 movies is also going to be $19.95. In Part B, we're asked to find the cost of watching 25 movies in a month. So again, the horizontal axis represents the number of movies seen, so we're going to look for 25 along this horizontal axis, and then we'll look for the corresponding output at that value. From our graph, it looks like it's going to be costing $182.45, and so we'll indicate our answer down here to say that the cost of watching 25 movies is $182.45. In Part C, we're asked to identify and interpret the intercept. Well, there is no intercept on the horizontal axis, and the only intercept that we see is here on this vertical axis. So the ordered pair that is the intercept tells us that the M value, or the number of movies seen, is 0, and that corresponds with the cost of $19.95. So if we see 0 movies, the cost of this membership is $19.95, and the way that we can interpret this is to say that that is essentially the cost of the membership. We pay a flat fee of $19.95, and for that membership cost we can watch up to 12 movies before we see an increase in the cost.